Hello guys, in this video we will explain the method of converting your videos and translating them into any language in the world with artificial intelligence. This means that you clone your voice and make yourself speak in any language using this website, which I will share with you now. I will show you examples of my work on this website. After that, I will explain the method of registering and entering the site, as well as how to work on it. Therefore, please, but not something, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button and share the video. I thank everyone who always supports me.
مرحبا، أنا اسمي عبد المنعم حسور، منشئ محتوى على اليوتيوب ووسائل التواصل الاجتماعي.
Hello, my name is Abd Monim Hassour, a content creator on YouTube and social media.
你好，我是阿布多梦尼姆哈苏尔，一个在 YouTube 和社交媒体分享创作的人。Ciao, mi chiamo Abd Monim Hassour, produco contenuti musicali su YouTube e sui social media.
Now we pass to the explanation. First, you go to the Google search browser and write the name of the site that appears to you now. After that, you click on the first search result, then this interface will pop up for you. You click on Register for free. Here it will give you the choice via Google or register via Facebook. I will register via Google. Click on Google. After that, choose an email from the emails I have so that I can register with it. Click on the email that I want. I register with it, then we wait a little while, and the registration will be completed. After that, this interface comes to us. We click on the option in blue, Get Started, then we click here on Myself. I click on For Myself, then click here on Why do I want this site for design education or whatever. This is also the purpose here. This is the technology here. I just choose the registration method, it is easy. After that, here I choose Video Translation, Translation of Videos, then click on Mix. Here I choose which sites I want to work on. Is it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? I will choose YouTube. You choose what suits you. Here I will click on Video so that I can translate my videos. To what language? Here I delete the window and click here to download my video. Choose its video. After that, click on Create No Translation. Then this interface will come to me. Click on the option. After that, choose the original language of the video. I choose it, then choose a language, or choose the number of speakers in this. If there is one person in the video, choose 1. If there are 2 people, choose 2. I am 1 person. Choose 1 person. Here, choose the language I want to convert the video into. There are many languages. Choose the language that suits you. After that, we choose Click on the site for reference only. Important note, the site is in the version. The free version and the paid version. The free version is limited. It gives you only 1 and each video you create with it in the free version takes you 0.5. This means that the free version can only make videos, so it only gives you to try the site. If you like it, you have to buy the paid version. These are the prices for the paid version. This was the topic of a video. Today I hope you liked it and benefited. Do not forget to press the like button for the video and share the video. I thank everyone who always supports me. Thank you from the heart.